All right, Happy New Year. It's 2023, and we have rolled out our little button that helps open up a new tab for ChatGPT. Now, how do you use ChatGPT for plastic surgery, aesthetic practices, and med spas? Well, you can use it in a multitude of ways, right? Because this is AI and a chatbot all combined. It's literally being able to ask Google a question and then have a conversation with it. So it's taking each one of those steps. So when you click on ChatGPT here, it will pop open in a next little window here, and you can ask it, what is Althera? So if your front desk gets a phone call and says, hey, do you guys offer Althera? You can see what it's about, see what areas it's treating, and say, hey, well, we don't have Althera, but are you looking for neck tightening? Or a skin tightening procedure or something like that? And they'll say yes. And then you can talk about what you do offer in the practice. And therefore, they're not having to run around and delay and ask somebody else or anything like that. This is readily available in seconds. You can also, have it write a blog about Othera. So here's, saying, okay, well, it'll print out what the blog is. And then you can say, hey, what are the keywords, right, for the blog? And you can type that in and it will just tell you what keywords to actually put into the SEO of that blog. Now, if you want to write a post about this, you can take that same blog part that it wrote and even ask it to make it longer. Say, hey, make it longer. Can you make the blog post longer on Althera, right? And it will go ahead and give you a longer version of that post. So this is a way to get content, right? You can use this for content writing in all areas of your practice. And this could be blogs, could be a video script, it could be any of your social media, any of the above. And you can literally copy and paste it within the platform of AdVital. So you can really take the initial part is that, hey, what is a blog? Take this, let's say you like the first part of this, copy, paste it in here, and pick the account that you want to. So let's say it's Facebook and you want to put it in there. You paste it in there. All you got to do is put in an image or a video or anything else you want to, and it's good to go. If you want to add hashtags, you can ask, what are the best hashtags? The only issue with hashtags, it's going to base it upon the writing that it's written for you. It's not going to give you what's trending right now because this is from almost a year ago of where this chat AI version that has been released in terms of ChatGPT is. So you can say, hey, what are the keywords? Ask it to make it longer. What hashtags should I use for social? You can put that in there. And here's the potential hashtags of Althera, right? And there it goes. And you can literally copy and paste those in there, and it's ready to go. And you can have your content pre-written out, and it's written in a conversational, standpoint. If you don't like the tone, you can ask it to change the tone as well, right? And so you can say, can you write this in a Facebook post with a conversational tone? And there it goes. It can change the tone. It can change the grammar, what your brand content is. You can actually ask it to go off of your website, of the written tone of your website, and write posts according to that. So you have the same brand tone that goes across platforms. And so it's a great way to leverage, technology in the content for all different aspects of it. You can take this content, again, you can put it into social media. You can also put it in a blog here. So you take it and you just put it and make it a blog, new post, put in all the different descriptions, the cover that you want, images, and it's ready to go. And so this is a new way to use the AI, and it's for free, right? We just included it here in terms of another screen. Once you create a login, OpenAI allows you to use ChatGPT to help create your content and then ask questions about plastic surgery. Like if you're going through training or objections or anything like that, you can add a new chat and say, hey, how do I overcome a pricing objection for cosmetic surgery, right? and then it will give you the strategies. You know, essentially, it's giving you a step-by-step playbook of when you're having difficulties, when you can see that you have conversion methods that are not working, whether it's your phone calls, whether it's your patient care coordinators, whether it's the actual product itself. All these are ways that your office manager can go through some of this, the back office can go through some of this training and figure out what to do in terms of next steps. But we hope that you enjoy this in 2023 and are open to leave any comments below to see how else you would use ChatGPT in your private practice for plastic surgery or an aesthetic practice or a med spa. Take care and have a great year.